everyone! Welcome to Cavinti! Ayan, so andito kami ngayon sa Cavinti. We're supposed to go to the cave. However, malakas ang ulan last night. Oh, and it's been raining for a couple of days na. Kaya even the water current are strong din. You see? And because of that, we cannot swim in this river. Baka ano din kami.
Kasi parents ko, sabi ko sa kanila, yung tour guide dati, nung pumunta dito, sabi, sa summer yung pupunta dito because of the current.
Because of the current.
They are both makulit. Two of them.
So sinisisi nga parents niya because they're not been listening to her. Okay. So ayan, we'll just prepare something for lunch na lang since we brought food with us. But in this water condition, the current is so strong, we cannot swim for our own safety. Merong cave dito, pero doon pa daw yun maglalakad papunta doon. And since malakas nga yung tubig, the water is deep there as well, so we cannot go there. Ayan o. Sea cave. Ang ganda oh! This is nice here. Tigas ng paa. Ang lamig! Malamig ma? Lunchtime. That's it. What do you call that? Stone tower. Hindi ko alam. Ang tawag doon. Sorry naman. So, pabalik na kami since it's getting late.